I'm Catherine Reeder. I am the Director of Digital Marketing Operations here at Bardstown. My background is in retail operations, which has given me a customer-centric mindset. That, coupled with a passion for data, moving into the e-commerce and the marketing space, and now the digital marketing operations space, was really a no-brainer. I love the digital side of marketing as opposed to the traditional side because digital moves so fast. You execute fast, you send fast, you get results fast, you get feedback fast, and that's the part that I really love about digital. Digital marketing is all about creating that online presence, building your brand awareness, and creating brand loyalty. Digital marketing includes a ton of channels from email and social and SEO and paid search and content and influencers and affiliate marketing. All of those things come together and work cohesively to really drive your marketing strategy. Digital marketing doesn't have to be hard. In fact, it can be really simple and really cost effective. And the best part is that you get results right away. You get really fast results and you get really high engagement from digital marketing. You just need to make sure you're in the right channels where your customers are. Digital marketing for Bardstown is about making it personal and connecting to our customers. It's more than promoting products or promoting services. We want to really get to the heart of personalization for our customers. We need to be sure we're meeting our customers where they are in the channels that they're on. They're on their phones, they're on social media, they prefer to interact with text messages sometimes. So we need to make sure that those channels and those strategies are at the forefront of our strategy. Personalizing your digital marketing is imperative. Customers expect it, and digital marketing just is personal. Customers expect us to not only know them, but know their behaviors and meet them on the channels where they are. And so that personalization is crucial to the heart of a digital marketing strategy. Personalization in digital marketing doesn't have to be difficult. It can be as easy as acknowledging their first name or their birthday in your strategy and in your messaging. From there, as you get more comfortable with personalization and your data, more behavioral-driven touch points can really move the needle for your digital marketing program. We have a video and an email touch point that goes out after a customer's first purchase that shows a box, a Bardstown box, going through our global fulfillment center with their name on it. It goes over the conveyor belts, it goes onto the truck, you see somebody packing it. It's an awesome touch point and it's hyper personalized. We get tons of engagement on it, we get great feedback on it. It's just a really neat digital touch point. Local SEO should be the first thing any business does. A free Google business profile is a must to set up. Make sure your information is correct, keep it up to date, your hours, your location, your phone number. That's a must do and a first step for any business on digital marketing. Social media is also a no-brainer. It's typically free, it's very easy to set up. Your audience is already there, and it's also a really great channel to get feedback directly from the customer very fast and very quickly. As your digital marketing strategies advance, I would say email is also a really great channel. It's typically low cost, it's very user-friendly and easy to set up, and you meet your customers exactly where they are. You're in their inbox, on their phone, you're there when you need them, and it's a quick touch point that you can get messaging out very quickly. AI is already making marketers better and faster. If we're using the right data, we can get to better personalization, better segmentation, we can move faster and make better data-driven decisions with the use of AI. For Bardstown, AI is really making us look at where we have all of our data and how we bring it together and how we can give a better experience to the customer and also work more efficiently and faster in those ways. To keep up with changing marketing tactics and strategies, learn. Read everything you can, watch every webinar, go to every industry event if you're able to. Some of my most beneficial moments and aha moments have come from when I've been working with peers in the same space. We're all working through the same strategies, we're all working through the same pain points, and it's really helpful to know that not only are we not alone, but it also helps me unlock ideas I maybe didn't have before by just speaking to peers.